NKT is a leading cable system provider for solutions both onshore and offshore. Our cables enable renewable high-voltage power to be transmitted from remote areas of generation, like offshore wind parks, to the areas of consumption via interconnectors and expansion of the national power grids. We have made and installed cable systems for more than a century for both alternating current (AC) and direct current (DC). The production takes place in our factories in Karlskrona, Sweden and Cologne, Germany. Both factories run on 100% green electricity, and thereby significantly reducing the company's carbon emissions from its energy consumption. Installation is done with our own installation vessel, NKT Victoria, a world-class ship designed and built upon NKT's extended knowledge and experience. She has one of the lowest CO2 footprints in the world compared to similar vessels. A high-voltage cable consists of a few fundamental parts: the conductor, insulation, a water barrier, armoring for offshore cables, and an outer sheath made of black polyethylene and yarn for offshore cables. Conductor stranding for efficient power transmission. The conductor is made of several thin wires of aluminium or copper twisted to a full-size conductor in the stranding machine. Conductors can have different designs of the cross-section. XLPE insulated cable core, the heart of the cable system. The cross-linked polyethylene XLPE insulator is a crucial component of the cable. It is surrounded by semiconductive layers which give smooth interfaces. The closed extrusion process is made in high towers, giving the insulation a free-hanging cooling line. The technique is based on well-proven principles and provides unrivaled dielectric strength. Heat treatment. Elevated temperature speeds up the diffusion and evaporation of the remaining gases from the cross-linking process. LED screen and plastic protection. One simultaneous operation. The LED sheath provides a water barrier and an electric screen. The PE sheath provides mechanical and corrosion protection. Vertical assembling. For 3 core AC submarine cables, 3 individual power cable cores and optional communication cables may be assembled to one large cable. Armoring and outer marking for protection and visibility. Armor wire layers of steel provide increased tensile strength and is a well-proven corrosion protection for all marine environments. It protects from outer damages, and a final layer of yarn gives submarine cables higher visibility on the sea floor. Testing. The full length of the cable is tested in the factory before further transportation to the installation site. Loadout and vessel. The offshore cable is loaded on board the cable-laying vessel. In Sweden, the harbour is located at the factory for an easy loadout. Our own installation vessel, NKT Victoria, can take up to 9,000 tons of cable, divided on 2 turntables. While in harbour, NKT Victoria is powered from the quayside and running on green electricity, yet again demonstrating the environmental advantages. Installation. The installation is supervised by ROVs and touchdown monitoring to ensure the proper handling of the cable at all times. The cable monitoring system also provides real-time data for further analyzing. The sea cable is winched onto shore and jointed to the land cable, reaching its final destination. After installation, the cable system is tested once more before being handed over to the customer and put into use. NKT is a world-leading supplier of high-voltage turnkey solutions. We have a long track record of leading technical innovations together with a high focus on safety and the environment. We call it CIS, from cable design and manufacturing to installation and service.